Hi folks, people keep asking me this question: can I make money online with no money upfront? All right, and also with no website. The answer to this question is yes, it is possible. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with affiliate marketing, okay, without having any money to start, okay, without having any money to make ads, to make paid ads, and without having money to obtain a website. All right, this is what I'm going to show you in today's method, and make sure you take note and implement the method I'm going to show you in today's video. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into today's video. On today's video, I want to show you how you can, this method I'm going to show you, okay, it's going to be a copy and paste method to affiliate marketing, and this is literally for free. You don't need any money to start this, and you don't need any website to start this, and this is beginner friendly. All right, okay, all you need is make sure you take note on this video on every method I'm going to show you. All right, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I do make videos every week on how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button, so every time when I upload new videos and on how to make money online, okay, with new method and tricks to make money online, you will get notified. And not only you get notified, you'll be the first person to get notified. So with this, you are one step ahead of your competitors. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know which country you are from, okay? So in my next video, I'll make sure I'll make video that works very well for your country. All right, but this method I'm going to show you on today's video works everywhere. Do you understand? This works everywhere, so it doesn't matter where you're from, you can start implementing this method. Okay, the first site I want to show you, okay, let me just quickly tell you a brief about this method, how it's going to work. Okay, we're going to find an affiliate offer, all right, and then we're going to promote this offer with content marketing. I will show you where you can get a free content, all right, in today's video, and also where you can get a paid content with the very less money. All right, so with that being said, let's go with the first website I'm going to show you. It's a website, it's called SlideShare. We go to Google, write SlideShare. So in a minute, I will let you know what SlideShare is for, okay? For people who don't know what is SlideShare, all right? So you want to go to SlideShare. Before you can sign up with, you can sign up with on, as you can see, you can sign up on SlideShare with LinkedIn account. So yeah, as you can see, you go to SlideShare and you want to go to sign up. You click the sign up button. Click on the sign up button, and you can see here, you click this join LinkedIn. But let me sign in now. As you can see, you can sign in with Facebook and with LinkedIn. All right, in this case, I already have a LinkedIn account, so I'm going to sign in with my account. This platform is used for sharing content. Okay, you share content on this platform. As you can see here, this content here already has 255,000 views plus, right? And this content, this is another content here that already has 272,000 plus views, all right? And there another one here, 273,000 views. Okay, like this content here also has 203,000 plus views, all right? And this is another one here with 691,000 plus views. All right, I will show you now some content that I already uploaded. All right, as you can see, I already have a 5 content shared on this platform. Okay, I have one with 8 views. The most views here is with this content. All right, I have already 21 views, and this content was uploaded 1 month ago. Okay, a platform where you can get content for free. Okay, after we get our content, we want to then link our, we want to put affiliate link in our content, and then we come here and click upload to upload this content. All right, so there's this platform that we can get free content. All right, this platform is called, it's articles.com. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it very well. After we're on this platform, we then go to search and click the niche we want to look for. All right, but mostly we can see the niche articles categories down here. All right, and what we're going to promote is Bluehost. Okay, for who doesn't know Bluehost is a domain hosting platform. All right, you can obtain a domain with this platform. On this platform, you can also obtain a domain hosting with this platform. Okay, including WordPress. All right, so as you can see, refer visitor to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified sign up. All right, let's make the math here, guys. Yeah, assuming you have 10 people every day, okay, per day, that sign up to this platform, you gain $650 per day just by promoting this platform here. All right, I will show you how you can promote it with this method for free. I will show you how you can promote this platform for free, and with this method it is very effective. All right, all you need to do is just find a suitable content where you can place this, place this affiliate link for this platform, and then share it on SlideShare. All right, so let's just go look for articles that will fit this, that will be suitable for this platform we want to promote. All right, and here we go to restaurant. This is the category. We now go to restaurant industry. Okay, I already find this topic here, that this content here that I would like to use for promoting this platform. Okay, and this is it here. The financial consideration, how much you need to start a catering business. All right, mind you, every business out there needs to go global. They need a website. All right, they need a website. So it doesn't matter what business, what content is that. Just make sure it's a business content, it's a business niche, then that you can use to promote this platform. All right, so I want to use this content here. All right, you just come here, we go copy the content, and then go to Google Docs. All right, I already have the content here, and I already changed the topic, okay, to how much you need to start a catering business. All right, okay, as you can see here, I already, in this place, I add some a little text in this content where I then where I then hyperlink this. I will show you how to hyperlink it. You just want to come here after pasting this article here. You just want to look for a suitable place where you can insert our affiliate link that we want to promote. Okay, and now come to here. As we can see, let me just read it. What I included this text. I wrote, before you start, you will need to think on a website name for your catering business where anyone can find you globally. Okay, you can obtain a cheap domain and hosting here. All right, guys, very simple as that. Okay, and then we want to go here to this. We want to go to this text here and click this sign here. Okay, you click it, and then you insert the link here. As you can see, I already inserted the link here. Okay, and you put and click this blue button. All right, so it's going to insert your affiliate links here. All right, and after that, I want to go and download this content as PDF. All right, guys, so this is how we're going to do it, and we now copy it. Okay, that's it, guys. And then after, we want to go to slide share, and we'll go to click this button here, upload. Click this upload button here. Okay, and look for the file. Okay, and then I just, for this video sake, I just put the title in description. Okay, I copy the title and paste that in description, and then we go to category and click business. All right, we click business. Okay, and then yeah, we leave it here. I mean, we leave it in public. We want it to be public. Okay, that means that everybody can see this content after we upload it. So we go to tag. I want to tag business. I want to tag online business. Okay, I want to tag restaurant. I want to tag catering, because the content is based on catering. Okay, how much you need to start a catering business in 2020. That's the title of this content, and I think that's enough like that. We'll leave it like that, and then we just go to click publish. Okay, and in submit, this content will be published. As you can see, now this content is already published. Okay, all right, this method I showed now, I mean, this platform called article.com. This place we can get free articles from other freelancer, from other publisher what they've written for long time ago. This article has been written since April 2016. All right, and we can reuse these articles. All right, this is free articles that we can reuse to promote our affiliate links. All right, but in this way it's not so effective, because you can imagine that many people are doing this method, are also going to this platform and taking, and using this content for other purpose. All right, so this is why you want to try and obtain at least a content that you paid for. All right, so with this, if you want to get this type of article, you want to go to Fiverr. All right, I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, for Fiverr, you want to go to Fiverr. As you can see here, I have this here for $5. All right, with the list of $5, you can get a suitable content. All right, that you can insert, use to promote your affiliate links and upload it to slide share. All right, with this, they are going to get more value. This content will be more valuable, and they will get most views. All right, so now, yeah, like this guy here has already 4.8 reviews and almost 153 people already ordered articles from this guy. All right, there are other ones there. There's one for $10. There's another one for $45. It depends on what type of articles you want to write. All right, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I do create videos every week on how to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell button, so anytime when I create videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. All right, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts on this video. Let me know also the country where you're from, so I can make videos in the future that really works good for your country. All right, and I will leave on the screen, one of my video where I show you this very cool platform that every business need. Okay, this is an email platform, and this is what every business need to build their email list. All right, to contact their customers, to promote their product to their email list, to their customers. Do you understand? Make sure you watch this video. I'm very sure you will gain so much value on it. It's another way to promote your affiliate links for free. Do you understand? You want to try and build your email list, and these email lists are people that you can promote other affiliate products to in the future. So make sure you watch that video. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.